Ooh, look at the lettuce. So beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna harvest some for dinner. And there you go. Okay, so here's the dough. I'm gonna take a little bit off for dinner. There we go. We've got some more over here. Looking lovely. Looking lovely. It smells so good. We put a warm salad over top of the lettuce that had quinoa, pecans, raisins, carrots, zucchini, squash, yams, all the good things. Here's a close-up of some of the other things we have going on. Other lettuce, that is some nasturtium. That is leaf radish. And of course our dill. And what else? We have some tomatoes growing, some little tomatoes. And that's the arugula. And the basil. Oh my goodness, it grows huge. And at the top there, that's cumin. And down here, I think those are ground cherries. Not sure how those are going to go. Might have to transplant those out. And then that's cress. And what else do we have here? Looks like, oh, those were mixed lettuces. That's our lettuce again. And that's calendula. Okay, thanks for watching, and feel free to get in touch with me if you're interested in owning one of your own tower gardens. They are so much fun, and watching everything grow is just delightful.